Hey, what's going on, my trap watchers? Today's August the 15th, 2021. We are going to give you all a price prediction in the market for Li Auto. It looked like we may get another bite at the apple to allow this price in Li Auto to go down so that we can eat more off of our price prediction. So check it. If today's your first time ever seeing our video and our content, guess what? We're here. The doors are open. If you all appreciate someone here giving you all a price prediction as to where they're anticipating the price to go, all without being confused, hit us up. Join the community. Hit the like button. Share the video. Also subscribe to the channel, because one thing we do not do, we do not pump stocks. We do not tell you that everything is a buy, because that's not the case. Stocks do come down in value. You need to have somebody that's going to play both sides of the market and not just one side, because you can eat either way it go. You can eat if the price goes higher. You can eat if the market goes down. It doesn't matter. We're only here to make bread. That's it. We don't fall in love with stocks. We could care less about the stocks itself. We only care about coming in, making the bank, and walk out and move on to the next one, right? So if you guys want to join us, we're here. Tap that bell notification as well so you become notified whenever we upload our content to YouTube. So now let's talk about Li Auto, because you can already tell. I'm gonna zoom in. You can see it. I mean, we're not hiding anything from you all. We played the weakness in the market in Li Auto in our last video. You can check it out. It is in our Li Auto playlist, and see and listen to what was said. Now, this particular play didn't take long. 2 trading days. We expected the market to go lower in Li Auto, and it did. So we ate real quick on this play. We anticipated the market to go lower. It did. 2 days. We did the video right there on July the 25th. July 27th, we got that bank. 10.96% right there. Cool. Now, since then, take a look at where the price is now in Li Auto. It looked like we may get another time to eat, because the weakness still may be here. And for us, we have to be real with you. We have to tell you if the price is going to go down. You might get in your feelings, you might get emotional, but we have to be real and keep it honest. We got to keep it a buck. So if the market is weak, we're going to tell you that. So let's see. Let me get rid of this. I mean, you guys can even tell that. Is it a coincidence that the price right there on July 27th and Li Auto bounce off our horizontal line? No, it's not. That's how you time the market. This is how you're able to time position to where you expect support to be and where you expect restriction to be found. So this is still applicable. $26.50, give or take, around that area is still applicable for Li Auto to come in and grab some support. So as I do this prediction, keep that in mind. We can still see the market bounce off of $26.50. So that will be an exit point for us to grab the bag and move on. Okay. Now, let's see if the price in Li Auto is in an upward trend. Okay. Are we? Are we not? What do you think? Do you think this market in Li Auto is about to break this trend right here? Do you think that's going to happen? It sure can. That is definitely on the table to occur. Just keeping it real. So I want to ask the question, should you buy now? Or are we still going to see the price go lower in Li Auto? So let me show you a different time frame, because you all can see that earnings is coming up in the beginning of September for Li Auto. And again, we don't play on the news. We could care less about the news that come out about these particular products, because it doesn't move the market. The person that you see on the bottom left on my screen, he moves the market. So however he's feeling is where price is going to go. And he would take these events, earnings reports, some other type of news that breaks for these particular products. He will play on that to get what he wants, right? But for us, we follow what he does. That is where we get our news from, so that he can beat us, because he's trying to put us in some very bad positions. He's trying to take advantage of us. He wants to take our money and vice versa. We need to get it from him. So as we see this chart in Li Auto, okay, this is the 3-day time frame. And you can see right here that currently we are definitely still seeing some weakness into the market in Li Auto. It's kind of like, okay, why would you want to come in and buy this when you clearly see the price in Li Auto going down? Of a positive note, okay, I will give you this. If the market in Li Auto was able to hold support right here, I will say cool. The market is maintaining the interest. It is maintaining the demand. The price is anticipated to go higher. But look what happened so far. We're down. We are trading below that horizontal line that I've just created. That gives us more confirmation that price in Li Auto is still weak. The weekly time frame, take a look at this. The last 2 weeks, I want to give you all of this information, right? I'm going to give it to you real and raw so you guys can see what the market really does and how it puts you in some very peculiar situations because they understand that you're an emotional being. But if you take the emotions out of it and you see price for what it is, you actually can beat the market. Yes, I said you can beat the market. So 2 weeks, we have this week of August the 2nd, 2021, and then last week, August the 16th, 2021. Both of those two price bars, the price in Li Auto went down right there. So why would you want to come in? Why would someone tell you to come through and buy the market in Li Auto when we are clearly seeing this price go down? It baffles my mind. So let me plug you on this though, okay? Because I understand you may be a long-term investor. I will get those type of comments in the video. That is cool. Just buy up Li Auto and wherever the price go. Because if you have a long-term horizon as to price appreciation, then cool, buy it. If you're going to hold these stocks for 100 years, go ahead, buy it. It doesn't matter then. Because you are hoping that the price in the next 100 years will be worth more than where it is right now. But that's a huge gamble. So let's see. Weekly time frame, there is still weakness here. Okay. Now, 2 weeks time frame. It's even worse. Of seeing price over the last 2 weeks. This is in combination of what I've shown you on the weekly time frame. It's all in one bar. We started the last 2 weeks up here around 34. We ended down 28. So the question is, I think we got the gist that the price in Li Auto is weak. Cool. So how low do we think the price is going to go before we see more support, just like we did 4 weeks ago, right? I told you that that $26.50 price is still applicable. We can still see the price in Li Auto come to that particular level. So let's see how much of a profitability we can get in Li Auto. For the market to hit $26.50, excuse me, that is about 7.4% profitability. Now, first, let's create this restriction area into the market in Li Auto. It's very hard to determine where it is, but it's around $30.75. Okay, definitely, as long as price trades below 30, I already know that the market is going to try to go lower. I mean, the trap is already letting me know that based on the price bars and the volume that I'm seeing. Okay, so I am anticipating the price in Li Auto to drop, but I'm not predicting anything massive. I'm not predicting the market is going to completely plummet below $20, right? I don't see that yet, but I'm still expecting the price to go lower. Okay, so again, $26.50. It might fall up a little bit higher towards $27.30. I will definitely take some profits off the market right there. 4.68%. I mean, it's profit though. And then I'm going to bring it down here to our other horizontal line again. So yeah, it looked like we may get another opportunity at the bite at the apple for us to see this price in Li Auto go down. And then from that point on, because I'm going to keep it real, from a 2 weeks time perspective, the market can definitely exceed below our support area, $26.50. Just saying. Okay. So now, this is what I'm seeing. I want to know, what do you see in the market for Li Auto? Where do you think this price is going to go? Let me know. Drop me a comment. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.